No, I can't. I'm basically going to be doing a Aliexpress haul. Fuck. Wait, alright, cool. 1, 2.
2 hours later.
Huh? What? Yeah. Hey guys, it's Sabina and I'm back. Okay.
Oh, come on, man.
There you go. Hey guys, it's Sabina and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys my Aliexpress haul. I decided to do an Aliexpress haul for you guys because in about March I ordered so many clothes because I thought I'm going to be going on holiday, gonna be going on dates with Bae and everything. So I just bought bare stuff on there because one day I was looking for hair and then bare dresses came up on the homepage. So then I looked through it and I saw bare things that I would see on Fashion Nova, that I would see Insta baddies wearing and whatnot, and it cost about like £10, even less, maybe a bit more. So I decided to buy a lot of clothes, and when I made my YouTube channel I thought that's definitely something I want to do. So I thought that now that I've got so many other stuff to add, I might as well just do the Aliexpress haul from now, because there's some stuff that haven't came that are probably not gonna come, but I'm just gonna get my refund for those. So yeah, what I'll also be doing is rating the outfits, well, rating the clothes that I got sorry. And then also with each clothing, what I might do is add a bag or a pair of shoes or heels that you can match with it, just in case you lot are like trying to figure out what to wear with whatever I'm wearing that you might want to buy. So I hope you guys like the video, but before we get to anything, like, comment, subscribe and share my video. Yeah. Ooh, outfit number 1. It's definitely one of my favorites. We give this one a 20 out of 10. Color coordination totally on point. Are you mad? Like, this dress is classy but still club wear. Like, I love it. Definitely a date night thing for me. Yeah, here's me on the phone to Bae, obviously. He was giving me advice. Oh, well, not advice, he was telling me what outfits he likes. Outfit number 2. Ooh, that ass B. Ooh, I love this jumpsuit. I give this outfit 8 out of 10, just because the length that it came in wasn't the length that I was expecting because of what I saw in the picture. I'm quite tall, so I was expecting the jumpsuit to be longer. And don't watch the bra with the jumpsuit as well. I'm not gonna wear it like that. But it's real cute. Ooh, outfit number 3. Definitely better without the corset. This is literally a 9.5 even without the corset. It's like the oil poly one that people used to wear. And you can literally wear this anywhere. Like, it matches to any event. Outfit number 4. Real classy. But I think the top was a bit too tight because my little boobies were coming out. But it's still cute. I would give this outfit a 7 out of 10. Ooh, one of my favorites. Outfit number 5. Boy, this fit. I'm fixing my bag. I've had this outfit since like March. And I only put it on that day I've done my haul. It literally took me like 2 minutes to put the whole 2-piece on. It was so stretched, yeah. And because I have big hips, most of the time I struggle when I'm putting on 2 pieces. But this was so easy to put on. So big up this seller for this outfit. Love it. Ooh, that ass, sis. Real cute or whatever. Period.
Period. Period. Period. Period. Period. Period. Period. Period.
Ooh, outfit number 6. Guys, you lot wouldn't imagine. I bought this jumpsuit to match my Jordans that I never received because I never won a raffle. But let's not even talk about the Jordan 4s. Virgil Abloh, you took the piss. This outfit is definitely a 9 out of 10 though. You can literally wear it with slippers, heels, whatever. Ooh, bad boy. Guys, check out my Instagram. Outfit number 7. Banger. Absolute banger. Look at my waist. You can't even tell that my belly's fat. Love it. I got this whole outfit idea from an entrepreneur on Instagram. I'll put her Instagram link down below. She literally started this whole corset with jumpsuit thing. I literally love this fit. This fit is definitely a 50 out of 10. Sorry. Outfit number 8, real casual, but I was disappointed about the bottom. They don't really look like extenders to me. Look more like, I don't even know. But it's still cute. I'll wear it in the house. I can still wear it to go to the shop or whatever. I'll give this one a 6.5 out of 10. I got the top separately with the trousers. So I'll put the link down below for everything, like I said I would. But I would give the top a 7 out of 10 because I don't really care for it. Trousers 8 out of 10, but I wish it was a bit bigger because as you can see it doesn't go up my waist because I'm fat now. This outfit, boy, this bloody outfit, guys, I don't even know where I'm gonna wear this, but I need to wear this. Real flipping cute. Got the corset separately and the jumpsuit separately, like in the other video. Definitely a 30 out of 10. I'm joking. 10 out of 10. Anything that's over 10, you know it's a 10 out of 10. You feel me? You can even wear the jumpsuit in a different way. I'm gonna show y'all what's tea. Like Kiana J says, you can literally wear this jumpsuit in so many ways. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Guys, I used to do modeling. Yo, this outfit, this pair of trousers, disappointment. Oh my god, guys, you lot can see the disappointment in my face. These green pants do not look the way they looked in the picture that I saw on AliExpress. Absolute piss take. These were meant to be extendos. Why do they look like flared pants? Absolute joke. But I'ma still style it. It's cool. I'ma give it a 5 out of 10. Ooh, this is so cute. I found, oh yeah guys, most of the bags I'm wearing as well are from AliExpress, so I'll put the link down for them as well. This dress, 10 out of 10 as well. I love it. It's so comfortable, but when I was putting it on, I was so scared to get makeup on it. But it's real cute. You can wear it with heels or with trainers. I just decided to show you guys with trainers. So pretty. Look at me all smiling and shit. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, damn. This outfit, we're on like outfit number 13 or something. This outfit, banger. Tropical, beachwear, anywhere you like. Date night, party, I don't know, but this outfit is a flipping 20 out of 10, so you know that means 10 out of 10, mate. I have another fit like this. I bought it from Ivy Rose. Oh my god, boy, as you lot can see from this, it did not fit me at all, guys. This is a large. Why do I look like I'm wearing a size extra small? Trying to make me feel all fat and shit. Nah, I was so disappointed. But y'all know me, I'ma reconstruct this shit and make it into shorts or something. 1 out of 10. Another one. You guys just saw me in the pink one of this. I like this color as well. You can literally wear this with anything. Slippers, trainers, whatever you want to do. But this is definitely going to be my errands outfit. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. Just like the other one. Thirsty. Your girl was thirsty, boy. Guys, my face has been breaking out like crazy lately. Yeah, stretched that bum out, boy. Ooh, one of my faves. But I already know my man won't let me wear this out. I can definitely just wear this at my house or something. This is like a gym set, but a lot of influencers in that have been wearing it like as an actual outfit, and it's real cute, but my bum sticks out too much, and as you lot can see, even my pants are showing. So boy, but it's cute though. I'll take pictures in my yard. It's calm. 10 out of 10. I love gym fits. Throw that ass back. Another way of wearing this jumpsuit as well, so that you have to cross out the back. I was trying to tuck in my bra. Yeah. This is such a cute fit. Like, this fit is so cute. 9.5. And I love the way I matched it up with the white bag and the airs. Showing you another way to wear it. Not everyone wants to show breast, you know, but yeah. My airport fit, you know, in April I was supposed to be flying out, then Corona came and ruined everything for me. So, you know, next year, whatever, gonna be wearing this to the airport. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because I love myself some leggings on top. This was the last fit. Guys, I was so tired. I done this video at like 4 AM in the morning, so that's why you guys can see my face is a mess. I'm literally falling asleep. I'm tired. I've given up. But I was tired. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Bye.